Hey, what's up? It's Taki here. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's raining and very gloomy now. I think Japan is entering the rainy season soon. So instead of lighting up the room, I'd rather enjoy this dark vibe with the rainy sounds. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get right into it. I wanted to share some quick updates. I've been working on rebuilding the web app for sharing notes. So Inkdrop supports sharing individual notes on the web, so you can quickly share your notes with friends and colleagues. Which is useful. Recently, the desktop version supports the new syntax for GitHub alerts. So I wanted to implement this feature in the web app as well. And I found that the web app is so old and the stack is outdated. So I decided to rebuild it from scratch. And now I finished building it. I'm excited to announce it's now available. Yeah, so let's take a look at it. Here's the old version. So here is the old version. So it's a very simple web app with the table of contents on the side. Yeah, and it supports highlighting the code blocks. So pretty basic. It supports pretty basic GitHub syntax. And here's the new version. So as you can see, it got a dark mode, and you can toggle it by clicking this button, which is great. And it comes with several new features. So I'd like to introduce them. The first is GitHub Alerts syntax support. So there are 5 types of alerts: note, tip, important, warning, and caution. And here's how to write alerts. You can simply write this special line on the block quote, and you can write message on the next line. And here's the result. So pretty simple syntax. Now it is supported on the shared notes as well. And next I'm gonna work on the mobile app soon. So the next feature is I love this feature. It features a smoothly animated table of contents. So as you can see, there is a table of contents pane on the right side, and it dynamically highlights the currently visible sections as you scroll down and up smoothly. As you can see, I love it. So it helps you navigate through sections, even if it's a very long notes like this one. Yeah. So yeah, very, very smooth. Yeah, so I think it would be nice to have on the desktop app as well. There's already a plugin called SideTalk, which is exactly do the same. So it adds the side pane, which displays the table of contents. It is by Bashira-san. I think it would be nice to make it official. And I wanted to improve the interactions and make it more work smoothly and integrated with the app. Yeah, so it'll be nice to work on next in the future. But for now, you can use this plugin. And the next one is copy button for code blocks. So the code blocks got a copy button here, and you can copy the code block quickly. So it helps readers copy the code blocks just by clicking the copy button here, which is pretty useful. And next one is image zoom. So the older version opens up another tab when clicking an image, but now it zooms in on the image on the same page like this. So which helps you navigate while reading the page, which helps you check out the image while reading the note. Yeah. The rain is so hard right now. Yeah, so this is the new version of web app for sharing notes. So I hope you like it. So how to do that? How to share a note on the web? So let me explain how to share a note on the web. So let's make another note. Share notes demo. Sharing the note demo. And hello world. Okay, so now you wanna share this note. Press. So you wanna share this note on the web. Press Command J or Control J, and there is a menu Share on Web, and click it. Now you get a dial for sharing a note, and click Share button. And you get the note URL. So you can copy this or click this link. So I'm gonna open this on the browser here. Boom. And you can share this page with your friends or colleagues or family or your boss. Very easy. Yeah. So I hope you like it. And by the way, I'm going to travel to Italy from this week. So I'm gonna take a break for a week while traveling to Italy. Yeah, so I'd like to enjoy the pasta and beautiful churches, cultures, and art, and so on. So I'll be visiting Milan and Venice, and I'll be staying there for a week. Can't wait to experience the. Yeah, this is the first time I travel abroad after the COVID period. Yeah, this is a solo trip. So I negotiated with my wife. So I presented a bag to my wife, and I got a 1 week break from the child raising. Yeah, and my wife is happy, and I'm happy. Yeah, so this is a good deal with us. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting Inkdrop and me. So I'll be back soon. And the next, and after going back from the trip, I'll start working on updating the mobile app. So the new web app got GitHub alert syntax support. So next I'm gonna implement this feature in the mobile app as well. And I'd like to improve more the performance because Android is still kind of slow. Even though it got a significant performance improvement 2 years ago, but React Native has got evolved a lot since then. So there is a better library. I found a better library, and I'd like to try it to improve the database, local database performance even more. So my focus is not to add more shiny features, but improve the experience more delightful and comfortable. Inkdrop is currently in the refactoring phase, so maybe you feel it's kind of slow to update, but I think it will pay off. It will be paid off. And I managed to share the Markdown rendering engine across all platforms, from mobile, desktop app, and web app. Now I can, when I add a new feature to the Markdown rendering engine, it can be quickly available across the platforms. So this is the main benefit of refactoring work. This was impossible when I first building each app, because I didn't know the technical requirements on building them. But now I know. But I learned a lot through these years. So I can now make a better apps with this knowledge. So yeah, so I'd like to try it. So I'll keep it going. So that's the plan after the travel break. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.